Now you have to eat to survive in this heat. You have to eat anyway. Okay, I think you are a good guys. Okay, you have to take meal, otherwise you can't live. So please have a meal, take a rest, and live your life. Okay, my friend, you want more? Okay, I will give. Don't worry, I will give it. I will give it. Don't worry. Okay, let's open your mouth. Open your mouth. If you don't open your mouth, oh good. Okay. Let's have a meal. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Now you have a meal in your mouth. Okay, have it. Okay. You want water? If you want water, I will give water. Let's have. Okay, there's no problem if you are tight. Take a rest. See once more. I think we need to give her water.